Okay, for sure, for sure.
It's just basically just callus downpipe, tow-main catback, like just upgrade a fuel system, and just a tune.
I've never raced one of these, so I don't know the potential.
I've never raced one of these before.
That's what I'm saying. Like, I don't know the potential of your car, bro. Just don't give me the sauce, bro. Don't give me the gap sauce, bro. Just be gentle. Races.
I know, dude. His bottom end gets you, but the after you just.
All right. Got the boys STI. Look at this. Sheesh. Okay. Damn. All right, my boy. So the boys called me out. So we're gonna run it with both. But I got my boy right here. He's got his STI. You wanna say what it is? What it's got?
So it's basically just a stage 2 PROTUNED by Snail Performance.
Okay, for sure, for sure.
It's just basically just callus downpipe, tow-main catback, like just upgrade a fuel system, and just a tune. It's basically just
Gotcha. So some bolt-ons and stuff like that?
Yeah, it's basically close to, I would say full bolt-ons, but I still gotta change the headers and a pipe. Then I can be full bolt-ons.
Dude, is that coming? Is that coming in the future?
Oh, yeah. Oh, it's definitely coming.
Dude, shit.
Flex fuel. I don't know.
Oh, bro, you have to, bro. I'm planning on getting this on like E85 in the summer. Cause, dude, I have nothing, bro. I have nothing right now. So, guys, my car is stock. He has a few things, but in the summer, I do want to get it on E. I want to get it on E,
Definitely
hopefully. Get a tune and hopefully, dude, because they make good power with just the tune and the E.
No joke.
Dude, it's crazy, bro. But, dude, I'm excited, bro. So, what do you think's gonna take it today, bro? You can be honest, dude.
I don't know.
I don't know, dude. I've never raced one of these, so I don't know the potential.
I've never raced one of these before.
That's what I'm saying. Like, I don't know the potential of your car, bro. And then especially like since I've been seeing your Instagrams and stuff, you got some stuff done to it. So like, I don't know, dude. I'm scared, bro.
Yeah, it's gonna be a surprise. I don't know. We'll see.
Just don't give me the sauce, bro. Don't give me the gap sauce, bro.
I don't know.
Just
I can't promise that.
Just be gentle with it, dude. Like, damn,
you gotta
but
do a little bit of modification right there. Just keep the intake cool.
But
there's like a different hole right there too.
It's a Mach 1 Mustang, dude.
Oh yeah,
Supercharged. And I my top end just walked it. And then, but I was like, all right, cool. Like now I know I can take these Mustangs. But
because me and him raced after the tune.
What happened?
So we were in the same gear, and then usually when we popped in fourth, and that's when his top end kicks in.
Yeah.
And that's when he just keeps going.
Just goes, huh?
But as soon as I got the tune, he popped in fourth. And it was like, he gave me a peace sign. I was like, bye. And I literally was like, bro, I'm still right next to you. Like neck and neck.
Because usually once I pop my gear in fourth, like it's going. My car's just gonna keep going.
Dude, his top end is nasty too, bro. I ain't gonna lie. That day that we did race, bro, it was nasty,
we were
bro.
hitting like
it was nasty. I was like, damn.
Like that. I'm like,
all right, you guys. Well, we're gonna head our way to Mexico and get some races in, and pick you guys up in a little bit. Peace. Okay, I hear it. All right, you guys, on to the second race. Previous video, I raced him, and now I'm gonna race his brother in the STI. So let's get it. Let's get some footage. Dude, that shit was freaking sick, bro. Dude.
There's 20 rolls.
Oh my gosh. That thing literally is so sick. Dude, those are some good ass races.
I know, dude. His bottom end gets you, but then
Bro,
literally after
yeah.
you third, you just...
Dude, good shit, dude. That thing was, bro. Dude, those are some good ass runs, bro.
He's like, I'm gonna go 85. That's what he said.
Dude,
85 easily.
bro, yeah, E85 easy, dude. Oh my god.
Dude, when he did that last run, I was doing a brake boost.
Oh,
That's why
okay.
you hear my car like change tone.
Oh,
you can hear
okay,
us
okay.
That's when the turbo starts pulling. That's why you hear that rasp.
Got you. That was like a 40. Was that good for you?
Yeah, no,
That was
fine.
pretty good. Yeah, I thought that was pretty good for you
That
too.
was on the border of my low end and top end.
Ah, got
So it
you.
was perfect.
Yeah, it
But
was
I see how we
good.
did a 20 roll.
Dude, that's freaking crazy, bro. What do you guys think of the 5.0 though?
Dude.
Kept up? Did
Man,
it?
the
Dude,
top
it's guys. So literally, we started. His car would just, bruh, right away.
Dude.
Right away.
First, third gear, I was up front.
Yes, it's just crazy. Right away, and then I put mine in third.
Yeah.
Dude, my top end just starts going and
know.
going. I was like, damn. Dude, honestly, I didn't even think I was gonna keep up though. Like in the footage, you guys can see, but like you literally start walking me, bro, at the beginning. You start walking me, put it into third, I start catching up, dude. I was like,
Yeah, it's the top
damn.
end. I'm
Yeah, top end is crazy.
I can't wait.
Dude, I can't wait for this to be bolt-on, bro.
What's that?
Dude, I gotta get a ride along with that thing is bolt on.
Dude,
You gave me a fucking
oh.
rattle on, dude. That shit fucking scared me, bro. Like we went out
Dude.
here and then he went on it, dude. Like I was fucking scared.
Bro, I can't wait to make that bolt-on, dude. Full
What's the first
bolt-on.
thing you're gonna plan on doing on here?
I want to get it on E85 this summer. E85 in a tune, and then probably headers. I'm gonna buy some headers, bro.
Headers, yeah.
Yeah, get some headers.
Trying to get my shit tuned and then hopefully 85. Hopefully,
Dude,
hopefully
that
by
was-
summer.
Mine is literally, it's like I just have to change the injectors and then get the sensor and then replace this hose right here.
Damn,
That will go to
dude.
the sensor. And it's basically 85 after that.
Dude,
Yeah,
you
you
gotta
should
do
go.
it, bro. If you honestly put 85, I'm pretty sure you will, dude. You give me the gap, bro. No lie. But
These are like, or depending on the tuner, of course. But with the 85 and then all the bolt-ons that you put on, like full bolt-ons, these are like 400 more.
it's crazy, bro. This thing is sick. You guys' cars are dope, bro. That's what I'm saying, yeah.
Because, like, you have so much more power, like 5.0. Like
Yeah.
V8, and I'm only like a little 3.5 little V6.
Dude, but it
he's
be-
only a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder. But like the fact how like they're like, you know, like
That's what I'm saying, dude. It's literally crazy.
I can't wait.
Yeah. Damn.
Good.
It's gonna be sick. But all right, you guys. Well, if you guys are still tuning in, make sure to leave a fat like, comment, join the fam, and comment anything you guys want to see. And I'll see you on the next time. Peace.